How to fix the application encountered an uncoverable error in Roblox? First step, search run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click log folder. Delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Come back. Search for local storage folder. Delete the files and folders inside the local storage. Click download folder. Delete the files and folders. Close it and move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. Once the scanning complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Close it. Next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Roblox application not having means click allow another app in the bottom side. Click it and click browse. For easy method, come outside, right click Roblox, click open file location, copy the address in the top side, come back, click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding after, you need to enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Next step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. Once the verification is complete after, you can check if there is any corrupted file having or not. If it's having means it will show here the location. There is no corrupted file. Exit it and move on with next step. Last and final step, open Roblox. Click it. Click the three dot icon in the left hand side and click settings. Click security settings. Scroll down. Click log out of all other section. Click it and click log out. Once it's logging out after, you need to close it and restart your device. Thank you.